guys, this is Phyllis here. I want to talk to you all about my Splendide Washer and Dryer combo. I really love this washer and dryer combo up until I got this CL error right here, and I didn't know what to do. But after about 25 to 30 washings, you will get that CL error too. I am going to show you how to fix it.
I went to wash clothing and I turned on the washer machine and this CL message came up. After doing some research, I realized this Splendide Washer and Dryer combo has a self washer component in it, in which you have to run after about 25 to 30 cycles of washing. The first step is to remove all of the clothing out of the drum. Afterwards, you fill the fabric softener, which is the blue compartment right there, as you can see, with chlorine bleach, as well as the bleach compartment with chlorine bleach. You leave the detergent empty. You leave that section empty, and you turn the knob to the clean washer, which looks like a raindrop, and you hit the on button again, as well as you hit the start button. As you can see here, it takes about an hour and 15 minutes to run through this clean washer cycle. I hope this helps, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up.